Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Today, we have a captivating topic in our hands. Cathie Wood drops a bombshell. $100 invested in this will make you $10,000. This is your last chance, so don't hesitate any longer. Let's dive right in and discover this incredible opportunity. In the world of investments, Cathie Wood, the visionary founder and CEO of ARK Invest, stands as a beacon of success. She's gained recognition for her unapologetic bullish investments in disruptive innovations, notably her early and steadfast support for companies like Tesla. But her vision extends far beyond electric vehicles and genomics. She's also been a vocal advocate for the future of Bitcoin. Cathie Wood firmly believes that Bitcoin, the decentralized digital currency, is on the cusp of becoming a cornerstone asset in both institutional and individual portfolios, rivaling the significance of traditional bonds and stocks. This resounding endorsement from a Wall Street luminary represents a seismic shift in the perception of cryptocurrencies and hints at a future where they may be as ubiquitous as conventional assets. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, Cathie Wood's insights into Bitcoin serves as further evidence of her exceptional ability to identify transformative trends. Cathie Wood's viewpoint on Bitcoin is nothing short of extraordinary. She suggests that as the purchasing power of Bitcoin becomes increasingly evident over the coming years, it could outperform cash dollars, which tend to remain stagnant or even depreciate in real terms. According to Wood, this revelation will prompt more corporate treasuries to seriously consider Bitcoin as a significant addition to their balance sheet. She speculates that analysts will begin to question why companies persist in holding 95% of their cash in depreciating assets when they can pivot to an appreciating asset like Bitcoin. In her analysis, Cathie Wood presents conservative estimates for institutional Bitcoin allocation. While her initial proposal was a 2.5% allocation, she concedes that this figure might have been slightly adjusted downward. However, she underscores the typical gradual approach institutions make when embracing new asset classes. They often initiate with a 1% allocation, gradually increase it to 2%, and eventually reach 5%. This pattern has been observed across various asset classes, including real estate, private equity, venture capital, and emerging markets. Therefore, even if her current estimate is considered conservative, she suggests that it could eventually grow to the 5 to 6% range. Wood applies a similar approach to corporate treasuries, proposing a conservative assumption of 2.5% of all cash and cash equivalents being invested in Bitcoin. The bull case elevates this allocation to 5%. This perspective aligns with the notion that as the value and utility of Bitcoin become increasingly apparent, corporate treasuries will face mounting pressure to expand their exposure to this digital asset. Before we continue, remember to show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Cathie Wood also identifies remittances as a significant market for Bitcoin adoption. In her base case, she estimates a 10% allocation to Bitcoin, potentially lowering fees and facilitating more efficient cross-border transfers. This differs drastically from the current scenario, where remittances incur substantial fees, especially when migrants send money back to their home countries. Sovereign treasuries represent another sector where Bitcoin adoption could be on the horizon. Wood suggests that initially only 1% of their assets might be allocated to Bitcoin, but this figure could increase to 5% in the bull case. Cathie Wood's vision isn't limited to institutional investors alone. She extends her foresight to emerging markets, emphasizing that not only state treasuries but also the general population may be inclined to allocate a portion of their assets to Bitcoin, especially in countries vulnerable to currency devaluation and hyperinflation. In the base case, Wood forecasts that 3% of assets in emerging markets could find their way into Bitcoin, rising to 10% in the bull case. Additionally, Wood considers the utility of Bitcoin as an economic settlement network. In her base case, she assumes that 5% of all settlements could occur in Bitcoin, with this figure rising to 10% in the bull case. It's essential to underscore that these estimates are deliberately cautious, intending to err on the side of conservatism. Historical trends such as the gradual adoption of new asset classes and the reallocation of assets to Bitcoin in various sectors inform these projections. Cathie Wood's current enthusiasm for Bitcoin draws parallels to her experiences during the dot-com bubble, where she recognized the potential of the internet and rode the wave that led to the infamous bubble. However, she didn't blindly follow the crowd. Instead, she used options to navigate the market and mitigate risks, a strategy that paid off handsomely. Reflecting on her tenure at AllianceBernstein during the 2008 financial crisis, Wood recalls her ability to predict the housing market collapse. She identified warning signs in exotic home equity loans and took proactive measures to reduce risk in her portfolio. While some considered her decisions unconventional and high risk, they ultimately proved successful. Cathie Wood's journey through these market shifts has equipped her with the ability to spot emerging trends and make bold investment decisions even when they diverge from conventional wisdom. Today, as she makes a compelling case for Bitcoin's promising future, her unwavering confidence and foresight serve as a testament to her commitment to disruptive innovation and her readiness to act on her convictions, no matter how unconventional they may seem at the time. In conclusion, Cathie Wood's visionary perspective on Bitcoin's future is a compelling call to action for all investors. Her remarkable talent for identifying transformative trends presents an exclusive opportunity for those who are ready to take action. As she vividly illustrates a scenario where $100 invested in Bitcoin could yield $10,000, remember, it's an invitation for you to embrace this exceptional investment journey and become a vital part of the financial revolution that awaits. Now, before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. What are your insights on Cathie Wood's perspective on Bitcoin? Do you think her projections are realistic? Or do you have a different take on the future of cryptocurrency and its role in institutional and individual portfolios? Please share your thoughts, questions, and opinions in the comments below. We are eager to engage in a lively discussion with our Investify community. Your insights could provide valuable perspectives on this exciting topic. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.